Welcome to Financial Whiteboard World, your passport to a colorful journey through the realm of financial wisdom. Hey there, money enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to introduce to you our hub, where financial meets creativity and your financial understanding takes center stage. At Financial Whiteboard World, we believe in demystifying the world of money. Picture this: coins raining down as we explore budgeting mastery, visualize your financial goals, and watch your piggy bank grow. But here's the magic. Each whiteboard session is a light bulb moment, unlocking the financial treasures that make you go, aha. Ready to dive into the world of financial brilliance? Hit the subscribe button and join our community to financial explorers. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single sketch. Whether you're a financial whiz or just starting your money journey, we're all about inclusivity. Together, let's sketch out success, creating a global community to financial enthusiasts like never before. Let's make this interactive. Drop your thoughts in the comment, hit the like button, and share the financial love. Your ideas might just inspire our next sketch. As we conclude this sketch, I want to express my gratitude. Thank you for joining Financial Whiteboard World, where the world of finance is as vibrant and diverse as you are. Until next time, keep sketching those financial dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard World, where money meets creativity.